Hey guys, Dolly here. Welcome back to Gypsy Rose Papery. We are jumping right into episode 8 of this junk journal with me. And if you're new and you haven't subscribed yet, then please consider doing so and hitting that notification bell so you don't miss future videos from me. And so I'm here rounding the corners on these pictures because I kind of wanted to go with that same sort of look from that first spread. So that's what I'm currently doing here. And then I'm gonna start planning like more or less what I want to do, because I do know that I wanted to make it a bit more interactive. But before I do that, you're going to see that I just can't help myself, and so I'm trying to figure out how to fit this hocus pocus somewhere, but I know it doesn't work out, so that's just how my brain works. And here I go, still trying to fit stuff on there. Don't know why I think I need to, but I'm trying my best. And so now I'm just figuring out logistics. I wanted to add these little round tabs onto the pictures. I just thought they look really cute. So I'm going to secure it with my best way of securing things, which is staples. And then here I'm trying to figure out which way I'm going to flip stuff. And I also want to add a circle tab here, but I'm kind of just trying to figure out exactly where. I do believe I end up, though, putting it at the top, just there. Because the page is so blank, I just wanted to add something with a little bit more texture to break it up, and I ended up going with it sort of horizontal like this so it could peek out from behind the two pictures. And so I do believe I am going to settle for it right then and there and commit and just glue it down. And so one of my favorite ways to make interactive pieces is to use washi. And here I have one of my favorite washi's, which is this jack-o'-lantern one. But the way I do it is I put a piece of washi at the bottom of the picture that you want to flip out. And then just to make sure that it's secured, I kind of like put it under and over to the next page, like you're going to see me do here. And then I'm just adding more tape on the inside to make sure it's extra secure and it's not going to fall out. And so now that my first one is nice and secure, I'm just taking the second one and kind of straightening it out against the page and seeing how it looks. And also kind of deciding which way do I want it to open out. I wasn't quite sure at this point if I wanted it to flip down or if I wanted it to flip out. But it looks like I decided to flip it outwards. So I'm doing the same thing with the washi, making sure it's secured. And here we are pretty much done. This is what it looks like before the ink. And I did do some journaling and hand lettering behind there, which you're going to see. So I want to thank you guys so much for joining me on this junk journal with me, episode 8. It was super fun. I love you guys so much. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.